This 2022 Palomino Columbus 379 MBC is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Store. This new Palomino is 41 feet 2 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a London ash interior, sleeps 10, external shower, smoke detector, spare tire kit, LP detector, air conditioning, microwave, slide-out, TV antenna, water heater, skylight, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-bunk, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Palomino Columbus 379 MBC is 12,565 pounds. This 2022 Palomino Columbus 379 MBC. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Store, visit RVUSA.com.